Today we're going to make, let's start that one over.
No, let's go ahead.
No.
I don't think I cut you. That big yawn came from somewhere. People
Somewhere
yawn
else.
all the time.
All right, okay.
It's not like, you know, you was doing something yucky.
Yucky, no. All right. Well, today we're going to make a sweet potato casserole. And it's anything but boring or tiring. All right, what we got here, we're going to start off with, we got 6 medium-sized sweet potatoes. And we're going to just poke holes in these, because we're going to cook these in our microwave until they're nice and tender.
Right.
We're going to start off, and what we're going to do, we're going to slice these open, let them cool off just a tad bit, and then we're going to scrape that into the bowl. All right, we've got all the sweet potatoes out of there. We were looking for basically 3 cups of sweet potato. And we're just going to kind of mash that in just a little bit, if there's any, to get out any lumps, if there's any lumps. Now to that, we're going to add 2/3 cup of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, just going to mix that just a tad bit. All right. So, I like to mix in the brown sugar and stuff first, especially while this is kind of warm. That helps get rid of any lumps, if there's any lumps in the brown sugar. We'll take 3 large eggs, crack them. I was so surprised on that one I didn't get eggshells. I did not crack that one well. And look, I spoke way too soon. I did get eggshell. All right. I'm going to take a fork. I'm going to mix that together. Slightly beat that. We're going to add that to our mixture. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Well, this is a 2 tablespoon measuring cup for those of you who are curious. Or, I believe it's used for espresso. They use these a lot for espresso now. And then we're going to also add to that 1/2 cup of whole milk. And 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm sorry, this is a teaspoon of vanilla. I got distracted. I forgot the stove could have been hot, and so that would have melted, and Mom was about to have a heart attack over here off to the side.
He set the milk carton on the hot stove.
We weren't thinking, all right, we're just going to give this a nice mix real quick. We have over here a 1.5 quart baking dish. And we're just going to pour that in there. We have sprayed it with some olive oil spray. We preheated our oven to 350 degrees. And we're going to bake this for approximately 35 minutes. Our sweet potato bottom is getting ready to come out, so make sure. So we're going to go ahead and make a streusel. The streusel, we're going to start off with 1 cup of shredded coconut, sweetened, 1/3 cup of flour, 1 cup of chopped pecans. We're going to do 1 cup of brown sugar, and to that we're going to add 1/3 cup of melted butter. We're just going to kind of mix that together to create a nice little streusel. All right, after, as you can tell, so that's beginning to brown off a little bit, it gets nice and fluffy there on top. We're now going to take our streusel that we made. We're going to evenly coat the top of our sweet potatoes. Doesn't have to be perfect, but we like to try to get as even as we possibly can. Now we're going to stick this back in the oven for 20 minutes. All right. Oh, that smells so good and it looks so good. There we go. We have a pumpkin. No pumpkin. How about a sweet potato casserole? We hope that you enjoyed this recipe. Please take a moment to like and subscribe, and see this recipe over here. Check it out. We're making a delicious apricot and pineapple pork steaks.